Good morning, folks. Happy 4th of July. Rail fanning today at the Oakland Coliseum station and Richmond station. Coming up in the next couple of hours. Here comes Amtrak 727 on its way to San Jose Dearborn station. Here it comes. 2107. It's the Cement Charger leading off. Yeah, give it up for 2107, the Cement Charger. He's down pulling in. 2107 alongside with my stalker, 8310 Mount Hamilton. Boo. And here comes my stalker. Alright, we'll be right back after these commercial break. 727. Okay, folks, we are back. This is 727 on its way to San Jose. SC44 Cement Charger 2107 leads off alongside with my Dane Stalker 8310 Mount Hamilton. Alright folks, there it goes on its way to San Jose Dearborn station. Still more to come, rail fanning. I'm Marcel Hall on this 4th of July hot weather in Oakland. Coming up next is Amtrak 724 to Sacramento. Stay tuned, stay tuned. Alright folks, we are back on this 4th of July special rail fanning at the Oakland Coliseum. This is Amtrak 724 on its way to Sacramento coming right up. This is it. Here it comes. Here comes the Bryson set 8311 Mount Palomar coming up. Mount Palomar. I like 8311 too. It's one of my second or third favorite cat cars of the 8300 series. Alright folks, this is Mount Palomar 8311. The Bryson set. This is his favorite cat car on this one. Alright folks, we'll be right back after these commercial breaks. Amtrak 724 on this 4th of July special. Stay tuned. Alright folks, this is Amtrak. Good horn sound for 8311 Mount Palomar. Amtrak 724 highballing out of Oakland Coliseum, Oakland A Stadium, 8311. Bryce's favorite cat car, Mount Palomar, leading off. And also, this train has Conductor Andrew on there. Conductor Andrew. Jack's famous Cement Charger 2101. SC44 Cement Charger 2101. Alright folks, this train is headed to Sacramento. I don't know, if Jack is going out rail fanning at Martinez because his favorite Cement Charger is coming up. I'm Marcel Hall. Happy 4th of July. Be safe, stay hydrated for this hot weather. And enjoy the food and barbecue and fireworks tonight, ladies and gentlemen. All right. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.